Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com.
Up first, the general election is not constitutionally due until 2025, but both political parties are already looking ahead.
At the same time, voter apathy remains high. A recent Don Anderson poll revealed that more than 50% of voters have given no thought to voting, with the two major parties at a dead heat sharing the remaining few. The details in this report.
In the Don Anderson poll done between November 24 and December 7, 1,015 participants were asked which of the two main political parties they would vote for if the general election was called now. 53% said they were either not voting for either party or did not know who they would vote for. The remaining 47% was almost evenly split between the two major parties, with 25% favoring the PNP and 22% the JLP. The poll has a margin of error of plus or minus 3%. However, a further breakdown of the figures revealed that among the youngest voters, between ages 18 and 24 years, 27% favored the PNP compared to 11% for the JLP. In the 45 to 54 age group, 30% said they would vote for the PNP, while 22% said they would vote for the JLP. 32% in the over 64 age group also indicated a preference for the PNP, compared to 21% for the JLP. The JLP had a slight advantage in all other age groups. The poll results suggest a 47% voter turnout if the general election was called today. Based on the Electoral Commission of Jamaica (ECJ) website, this would still be higher than the 37.85% voter turnout at the last general election on September 3, 2020. Herman Green, TVJ News.
The national